Hello students, I am Professor Varang SD from Govindarav Nikam Junior College of Science, Arts and Commerce, Saurade. Today we are going to study oscillations, phase in SHM. Hello students, now we are going to study the part of the oscillations as a phase in SHM, phase in simple harmonic motion. Phase in simple harmonic motion, in short we call it as SHM. As we have the expression for displacement of a particle performing simple harmonic motion given by x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. This expression gives the displacement of a particle as a linear simple harmonic motion, and in this expression we have the angle omega t plus phi, which determines the state of oscillation of the particle. So angle omega t plus phi represents state of oscillation. State of oscillation at any time t. At any time t during the oscillation. Therefore, this angle omega t plus phi is called as a phase of linear simple harmonic motion. Why? It determines the state of oscillation of the particle performing linear SHM is determined because of this angle omega t plus phi. This angle omega t plus phi, as already we have explained, it gives the theta. Theta is equal to omega t plus phi. This theta is called as the angular displacement of the particle. Theta is angular displacement of the particle. So depending upon the time t, the value of theta is determined because phi is a constant. Angular velocity of the particle is also constant. Therefore, time t represents the factor which affects the total angle. We call it as a phase angle. This angle theta or omega t plus phi is called as a phase angle. Angle omega t plus phi, that is we have denoted as a theta, represents the phase of SHM. We have defined it as a state of oscillation of the particle. Because for different variables such as displacement of the particle, velocity of the particle and acceleration of the particle, we cannot express what is the state of oscillation of the particle at any instant of time during the oscillation of the particle on a straight line path. We represent the simple harmonic motion along the straight line path. Suppose AB is a straight line path and O is its mean position or middle position. So where displacement is 0, x is equal to 0 at mean position. At extreme position, x is equal to A, amplitude. At extreme left position, x is equal to minus A as a negative value of amplitude because it is along the negative x-axis. So this oscillation of the particle is represented on the straight line path between the extreme positions A and B, and O is its middle position. So at any instant of time, what is the state of oscillation of the particle is determined by the angle called as phase angle of SHM omega t plus phi. We have different cases, that is special cases. Special cases for the values of theta. So what is the value when theta is equal to 90 degree or pi by 2 radians? what do we get the value? So one first case is that when suppose theta is equal to 0, when theta is equal to 0 is obtained from this relation of theta is equal to omega t plus phi. So at t is equal to 0, the theta will be equal to phi. In that case, we call it as the initial phase or a starting phase. The particle will be along the x-axis. In initial phase, we call it as a phi as the initial phase, and t is a time. At any instant of time, the particle reaches at a particular point, and we can have the theta is equal to 0. For this condition, time t is equal to 0 as well as initial phase phi is equal to 0. So particle will be at mean position, and for this condition particle will be at a mean position or starting position of the oscillation. So that is the first case. So in that case the angle is 0. So we can, if you consider the oscillation along the y-axis, then the particle will be along the origin along the x-axis. So that is the case 1. Then second case, when a value of omega t plus phi is 90 degree, that is theta is equal to 90 degree, or it may be expressed in radians as pi by 2 radians. And in that case, the particle covers angle, total angle of omega t plus phi is equal to 90 degree, and the state of oscillation is accordingly determined. In the third case, we can have the value of angle, phase angle, that is theta is equal to 180 degree, or it may be expressed in terms of pi as pi radians. That will be, the particle will be at the extreme opposite side. That is, if the oscillation starts from mean position, it will go to the extreme right position when the angle is 90 degree. It will come to the extreme opposite side when angle is 180 degree or pi radians. So that is the representation of state of oscillation of the particle, and this angle represents exact position. We call it a state of oscillation of the particle during the simple harmonic motion along the straight line path as a linear simple harmonic motion. So important thing is t. T is a time. At any time, what is the position can be expressed by angle theta. In the different positions of velocities, different values of velocities as well as positions of velocities may be different during the oscillation of the particle between the path as extreme positions A and B. We can find out the value of theta depending upon the value of t. So that is about the phase of linear simple harmonic motion. Thank you.